at Epic yesterday, and this today's our unboxing day. So this is gonna be our first video. As I was paying for the dragons, I ended up grabbing this pin collection where you can get these type of pins.
Yeah, so these are all the
So
pins.
this
It's
is
hard
at
to
the
see.
island of Berk. How to Train Your Dragon, my favorite land. So
Yep.
we're gonna do an unboxing, which I call a rip.
No, we're
YouTube
not doing a
rips.
rip.
This is a rip, and we're gonna rip it open and see what we got.
Look at Loki. Loki,
Oh
no.
my god, these are so hard to open. Alright, and there we go. Oh, they're still in black.
Oh,
so
yeah,
look,
they're in
they're
packaging.
still in
They
package.
come in like that.
Dum,
And you get 2 of them, too.
So we're hoping for some good ones. I'm hoping for some good ones. So let's see. There we go. It's our first one. Oh, damn, they seal these really good. These chinos,
Yeah, they
man.
do. Steven.
And we got the 2-headed monster guy.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Let me see him.
All right. He is Hippolus Zipperback.
Can I see him?
Hideous Zipperback.
Let me see him real
It's
quick.
hideous.
Let me see him real quick.
Hideous Zipperback.
Sorry, guys. Let me just put
That's
him
the
down.
first one.
Oh, they're cute.
And this is going to be my
Sorry for
second
the lighting.
one.
That's really cute. I like that.
And the second
Steven
one.
usually puts these pins on his
is-
work bag.
This is
Oh, we didn't get
Deadly Nader. Oh, this is the guy I got hanging up. I got at the last one. The Deadly Nader. That's him.
Let me see him.
Yeah. Because that's on the dragon. That's the dragon I got last time. The Deadly Nader. Steph told me that.
Oh, the guy that you have hanging in
on
your
the
car.
It's called the Deadly Nader. Yeah, I got him twice. Good.
Oh, that's
So
cute.
the Deadly Nader is me, I guess. That's my dinosaur.
That's you. Not dinosaur, dragon.
I mean, dragon.
Are you going to put both of these on your bag?
I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I got them.
That one's really cute.
So
That
we
one's
got
cute.
pins.
All right.
They're really cute.
They are really cute. All right. That's all for now. Loki, that's not for you.